In my first class of a biology session, my take was the following. I see about 200 students sitting there, and I tell them, each of you is so unique. A person like you never happened in the past and will never happen in the future. Each of you in the class of about 200 students is a unique happening. When I look at you, you are unique. When I talk to you, you are unique. At the genetic level, you are unique. At every level, you are unique. Imagine this unique happening to you, and it is not duplicated anywhere else in the world unless you are a sanguine. That's a separate thing. So, in a natural system, every human being is a unique happening. The question is, how does biology manage to do this? Using still the laws of physics and chemistry, how does biology manage to produce such unique happenings in the form of a human being all over the world for all the time to come? This level of diversity, we need to understand this. What may be the underlying mechanism? How does chemistry operate in such a manner that creature is a unique creature? So, but however, if you study a chemical reaction is a chemical reaction, is the same everywhere you do. How come a combination of chemical reactions generates such level of unique diversity? So this, I think, is a very important biological question, and I think you should study the depth of it. This is how I used to inspire them. And I think there is some real question here, right? Why am I so different from you is a real question, in my opinion. It's a real question. In what way I differ from you? And this can extend infinitely. So trying to understand the basis of diversity and understand the basis of how we all function differently becomes a profound biological question which should be addressed, studied and addressed. I think that's how I used to sort of, contextualize the scientific knowledge to the system. And I really enjoyed that.